Hi and welcome, or welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is TK, and on this channel I dive deep into handbags, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things luxury. But of course over here we like to keep it at a minimal cost. If this is your vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hi my babes, I hope you all are doing well today. We are back with another haul today. And I have a sponsor for today's video. I would like to thank Fanny for sponsoring today's videos. Fanny has these amazing smartwatch that, you know, they don't look too bulky. They don't look so sporty. They look so feminine on a woman's arm. And I am one that don't like the bulky smartwatches. That's why I had never been a fan of the Apple smartwatches. And when Fanny reached out to me and I saw how luxurious their watches were and that their watches looked so feminine, I had to accept this collaboration. So let me show you more about this smartwatch that I picked up from Fanny. Hey everyone, lately I've been feeling like life has been moving non-stop, answering emails, trying to stay active, and still trying to find time to relax. And one thing I've been struggling with is balance, especially sleep and stress. Some nights I stay up too late scrolling on my phone, you know how that gets, and then the next day I'm exhausted trying to get everything done. So recently I started using a FANY Luna Smartwatch, and honestly it's been helping me stay more aware of my daily habits without feeling complicated or overwhelmed. What I like is that it doesn't just feel like a tech product, it actually feels like a part of my everyday routine and style. The first thing I noticed is how stylish it looks. I love watches and accessories, so I wanted something that looked feminine and sleek, not something bulky or sporty looking. One feature I've been paying attention to a lot is the sleep tracking. The watch tracks deep sleep, light sleep, interruptions during the night, and even gives you an overall score. I didn't realize how inconsistent my sleep schedule was until I started checking my data. Now I've been trying to make small changes like going to bed earlier and cutting down on screen time before I go to sleep. And honestly, I do feel more rested during the day. Another feature I've been loving is stress monitoring and breathing reminders. Sometimes you don't realize how tense or overwhelmed you are until you stop for a second. And it also tracks steps, calories, heart rate, and it supports over 110 workout modes. I like that it keeps me motivated without making fitness feel stressed or intense. And the app connection is super easy too, because you can see all your data and activity data directly on your smartphone. Overall, I feel like the FANY Luna Smartwatch fits naturally into my lifestyle because it helps me stay mindful, organized, active, and balanced while still looking cute and fashionable. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link and a discount code down below in my description box for you all to enjoy. All right, my babes, go ahead and search Fanny's website and look at these smartwatches. Pick you up a smartwatch. Sometimes we have got to keep track of our busy lives and busy schedules. I know that for sure. And that is what I'm definitely trying to do. And I'll be sure to have the links to the watch that I selected, as well as a link to their official website so that you can check out Fanny's pieces. And thank you again to Fanny for sponsoring today's video. All right, my babes, I have a few pieces that I wanted to show you that I picked up new in my closet, and I picked up a handbag that I wanted to show you girls, and I just felt like this handbag is me. It's totally me. Y'all already know how I feel about this brand as well, and let me show you this cute handbag. I am in love with this handbag. I love the look of this handbag. I love because it has all of the little accessories on it, and you know I am a bag charm girl. She also comes with a guitar strap if you are interested in a guitar strap. Guitar straps aren't my juice, and they've never been even on the saddlebag. I'm just not a guitar strap girl. And this is how the inside of her looks. She's very small, but she packs a lot. And yeah, I will definitely be carrying her as a top handle because I am not interested in the guitar strap. But those of you, you know, to each is their own. Those of you that are interested in a guitar strap, she does come with the guitar strap, and she has that matte black hardware if you are interested, because I just think she's so chic. And look at the charms on her. The charms are just everything. I think the charms just brings her out. I've always loved this type of bag, and you know, she looks good. She looks really, really good. So I decided, you know, I could definitely style her when we are on vacation because she is small, but I have a strap that will go perfect with this if I want to wear it, you know, crossbody while I'm out. But like I said, I will do more of the top handle because she is definitely a cute top handle bag. And I also picked up a pair of shoes that I needed for work and for around town. You all know I'm still in corporate America. So I still need my corporate baddie shoes to be walking around in while I'm there in the office. And I picked up these. So I picked up a pair of ballet flats. And I have always been interested in these ballet flats, but I never pulled the plug on them. And look at them. Some people may not even like these flats, but I love these flats. These flats are so comfy. I did walk around with them here in the house, but I just cannot wait to style these. I'm gonna put these with my Loewe cargo pants, and the patch, the Loewe patch is this color, so it's gonna look really good with it. And I don't know, something about the detailing. I remember when these shoes first came out, I just thought they were like, I don't know, And then I just began loving these flats, and I said, I need to get a pair in my collection. And I do plan on picking up a brown pair and a black pair. Of course, you know I have to get my neutral colors. So I am just, you know, I'm gonna pick those up because I just love the look of these shoes. They look so chic, especially walking around in the office and even out. When people see you with these shoes on, these shoes are definitely conversation starters because those that know. And last but not least, I picked up a tank top. I needed this tank top, and I just felt like this tank top is a classic. I think everybody in their mama has this tank, and I love it because it's not pure white. It's like an off-white, mother of pearl, whatever you want to call it. And I picked this one up. I think I picked it up in a large. Yes, I picked this tank up in a size large. It definitely is large for me, but it is fine because the way how I want to style this tank, like when we're in carousel and I have on my black bikini, I wanted to have like this on as a cover up with my bikini bottoms, and I thought that that would be so chic walking around with this on with my bikini, and because it's still keeping me covered up, but probably tie it up in the back or something. I think that's what I'll do. But yeah, I love the quality of this tank, and I do want to get more colors in this tank. So I'm going to be looking at getting a black one as well. But I think this will be perfect how I want to style this when I'm in carousel. All right, my babes, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the pieces that I showed you. And don't forget about that smartwatch. Go on Fanny's website, check out their smartwatches. I just love how it just connects to your smartphone with no problems. Their app is Android and iOS approved, so you can, those of my Android people with them green bubbles, y'all also have the Fanny app, and my Apple people, we all have the Fanny app. So check out Fanny. Go ahead and search their website, and I'll be sure to have their official website and the link to the watch that I selected along with a discount code for you all to shop these pieces. And I hope you all have a great week. Don't forget, if you are interested in any of my favorite finds, you can always find those finds on my Linktree page. If you are interested in any of the pieces that I showed you in this video or in any other video, all of my favorite finds, if they're not in my Amazon storefront or my LTK, you can find them on my Linktree. So don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all of my social media pages. Give this video a big thumbs up because that lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. And until the next video, stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you in my next.